Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
In a new article published in the scientific journal Communications Chemistry, a research group at Uppsala University show, using computer simulations, that ions do not always behave as expected. In their research on molten salts, they were able to see that, in some cases, the ions in the salt mixture they were studying affect one another. Research on the next-generation batteries is underway in numerous academic disciplines. Researchers at the Department of Cell and Molecular Biology, Uppsala University have developed and studied a model for alkali halides, of which ordinary table salt sodium chloride is the best known example. If these substances are heated to several hundred degrees Celsius, they become electrically conductive liquids known as molten salts. Molten salts are already used in energy contexts, for concentrated solar power in the Sahara Desert and as electrolytes in molten salt batteries that can be used. Despite their widespread use, some of the molten salt's basic properties are not yet fully understood. When it comes to batteries, optimizing conductivity is a frequent goal. To produce a battery that is as efficient as possible, knowing what happens to individual ions is vital. This is what the Uppsala researchers are now investigating with their simulations. In the long run, the purpose of this research is to develop physical models for biological molecules. But these salts are relatively simple and make a good test bed, says Professor David van der Spol, the group leader for the modeling project. In a simplified theory, ions that move in an electric field, for example in a battery, do not interact with each other and are affected solely by the electric field. In their newly published study, the researchers were able to demonstrate that this is not always true. The study shows how, in a mixture of lithium ions with ions of fluoride, chloride and iodide, the lighter anions, fluoride, in their continued research, the group will develop a water model to study the interaction of water molecules with ions. Their investigation will include, for example, how the properties of ions are affected by an electric field when there is water in the mixture. Story source, materials original written by Ellen Backstrom. Note, content may be edited for style and length. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.